Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Engineering Talks, where we bring you inspiring stories, insights, and experiences from industry leaders who are shaping the future of engineering and innovation. Today, I am thrilled to welcome a very special guest, Ms. Pankti Agarwal, Executive Director and co-owner of Laser Technologies Private Limited. Pankti is a dynamic leader and accomplished professional with a deep passion for driving transformation and excellence across the engineering sector. Over the years, she has played the pivotal role in bridging the gap between technology and business strategy, helping organizations deliver impactful results. In this conversation, we will explore her career journey, the challenges she overcome, and her vision for the future. We'll also discuss how professionals can build meaningful career in today's fast evolving industrial landscape. So stay tuned. This episode promises to be full of insights, inspiration, and practical takeaways. Pankti, it's absolute pleasure to have uh, you with us today. Welcome to Engineering Talks. So, we'll start with our first question. Can you tell us about your journey and what inspired you to join and lead laser technologies?
Thank you so much, Omkar, for inviting me to this enriching session. This has been a beautiful 15-year-old journey for me as well as for Laser Technologies Private Limited. It connected me because I have also done my engineering and engineering pulled me towards laser technologies. And when laser technologies was incepted, Rakesh Agarwal sir, our managing director, had just started this organization, and he was looking for more skilled people to join him to reach his vision, and that's when I aligned with his goals, and I joined him in 2012. And it is a very growing journey. I have not worked in any organization before, and this is my first and foremost organization. So, every day is always a learning challenge for me, whether it is operations, whether it is marketing, whether it is logistics, sales, any part of this organization, I have learned and I have done it before, before handing it over to my team. So, yes.
So, what challenges did you face as a woman entrepreneur in traditionally male-dominated this laser or this mechanical core industries is mainly or conventionally male-dominated. So, did you feel there are any challenges in these 15 years?
Yeah, so being a woman is always a challenge when you are going near the machines. And ours is a hardcore machinery industry. So, but I think the challenges applies to both men and women. You have to be accountable, you have to work hard for your job, and you have to deliver. Only then you gain respect from your team and from people outside.
Yeah.
So I think doing the work and delivering is always been my motto of life, and that's how you gain respect and people align with you.
Right. So, can you take us through your college days, like what you have done, like what is your education, and then transition to laser technologies?
So I've done my biomedical engineering from Mumbai University, and it was a completely different field from what I'm doing right now because as and when the company grew, I was looking more at the management roles. So it
Yeah,
has been a very transitional journey for me. College was very much into machinery and engineering and a lot of automations. And
yeah.
then there was a sudden shift in my way of working where it shifted from engineering to somewhat engineering with accounts, engineering with the other parts of the organization. So it has been different, but it has been a wonderful journey.
Like you got trained for all the cross-functional departments in laser technology.
No,
Then
I
you
never
move to
really
manage.
got I never really got a training. I That was always a hands-on experience, you know. A job was given to me. I learned it, I looked it up, I spoke to some mentors, took guidance and then delivered. And it was always a self-learning with the support of, you know, my husband, Mr. Rakesh Agarwal, my father, who is a CA. So I had my family member who supported me through this transitional shift.
Yeah. How did laser technologies transition from a trading company to full-fledged manufacturing and solution provider?
So this transition was not very fast. It took time because, you know, Indian government or Indian industry is not yet 100% supporting for manufacturing, especially for laser machines, you know. It is basically more an import based. So it
Yeah.
took time from this transition. And we saw the need of the hour. We saw that the India was looking at more make in India, you know, products. And that's how we shifted from, you know, trading to a manufacturing company.
Yeah. What does it take to innovate in this highly technical field of laser technology, especially in India?
So innovation is a daily process. We are innovating at welding. We are focusing on more special purpose machines where we are adding up automations. We've joined hand with the Autometrics company, you know, who helps us in making automations with welding machines. So innovation
Yeah.
happens at day-to-day life because we get feedback from customer about our machines and how we can get it better. So R&D is basically an everyday thing for us, and we innovate every day as per the customer requirements, and we deliver because we are a company first company, and whatever the company asks, we deliver.
Yeah. How do you identify the new trends and opportunities in the laser and industrial automation?
So we keep in touch with the market trends. We go out to the trade shows, you know, exhibitions is a very wonderful platform for laser industry specifically to go and understand what are the new products that are there. We even attend trade shows overseas where we can understand what are the new technologies from Germany, from China, from everywhere else. So we keep ourselves updated. We keep our marketing team updated because they are doing their research on the market analysis every day.
Yeah. Can you share any defining moment or breakthrough in your career that shaped your leadership?
So I wouldn't say a particular defining moment that changed anything, but it was a very gradual shift, you know. But of course, COVID was a very crucial time where, you know, we had to change our way of working. We had to change into traditional way of working into more of a system-based way of working. So that was a time where we, of course, had faced a lot of challenges. I wouldn't say failure, but you know, those setbacks made us understand that okay, traditional is not going to work, the way we were working from the beginning is not going to work, and we have to evolve ourselves into better systems and processes to keep ourselves, you know, relevant in the market.
Okay. So how does the laser technologies is supporting SMEs in adopting cutting edge laser solution?
So at Laser Technologies, we have products like laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser welding machine, laser cladding machine, special purpose machines, robotic machines, panel bender, CNC press brakes. So we are here to support SME, MSME, and large corporates in anything that they have requirement with the metal forming solutions. So if you want to, you know, have a machine who can cut, also we have a machine which can bend, also we have a machine for welding. So it's like a complete process. We give you a proper solution, and that is what has made us very special from everyone else in the industry.
Yeah. Can you give us some insight on that laser Gurukul initiative and how it bridges the gap between academia and industry?
as and when, over the years, when we call people for interview or we do the recruitment process, it was difficult always to find people from the laser industry, who have studied laser in their colleges or universities, because there is no particular subject as far as laser welding, marking, cutting applications is concerned. We have to train them after we get them on board. So, to bridge this gap and to empower people with careers in laser industry, we came up with this Laser Gurukul initiative. Here, we train the young generation to become an operator, a laser operator, to become an entrepreneur, or to become a service engineer in our company or in any other organization who are into laser machines.
Yeah. How do you see India's manufacturing and laser technology industry evolving over next 5 or 10 years?
So this is the time to be a manufacturing company, because India is now opening their, support. Government is opening their support, giving subsidies, giving help to become a manufacturing company. So I think the next 5 years is the time to encash the opportunity, where we are also planning to start our full scale manufacturing, by next 2 to 3 months. So yes, it is an important era where the Indian manufacturing industry is concerned with the Make in India initiative.
Yeah. Nowadays, most of the core engineers are struggling with their careers, especially the core field engineers like mechanical or civil electric. So, what advice do you want to give them regarding your industry, the opportunities in laser industry for them,
Yeah,
like
so
for entrepreneurship?
yeah, even for entrepreneurship, or even if they want to start up their, business journey with a laser machine, there is a lot of potential in the market considering to laser technologies, because every industry like aerospace, automobile, interior designing, job shop manufacturers, scaffolding, lot of industries, even store manufacturers, panel manufacturers, these are the applications for laser industries. And anyone who wants to, start their journey in these fields can definitely start with the laser. The youth is going for a lot of safe options, and even there is a little scarcity of jobs in certain departments, like you said. So we invite them to our Laser Gurukul, come and explore the opportunity, take the training, and then probably, we can start working something alignment together in the laser field.
Yeah. Can you share us the story of project where laser technology solved a seemingly impossible challenge with the laser technology solution?
Yeah, so there was a time when we were trying to give a solution with traditional laser welding machine, and it was not possible because the part was a little intricate. So we joined our hands with automatics, as I told you before, and they are very technically sound, and they have a perfect R&D team for automation specifically. So we helped weld a very intricate part, and then we were able to encash a order of 50 machines altogether when we were able to solve their problem. So as I always say, we are always a customer first company. So giving customer solutions is our mission.
Yeah, I saw laser technology website. There are very energetic team photos of laser technology members. So how do you grew up this team, and how do you maintain consistency of continuous improvement within a team?
Yeah, so what we have learned over the years is that communication is the key. We sit closely with each and every department HODs, make them understand why we are doing it, what are our mission, what is our vision, and what are our goals. And we keep on speaking to them about the values of our company and how these values are helping us to reach our growth, and how it will help their growth. So we have a bunch of young kids with us, because we both directors are also in our mid 30s and 40s. So we associate very well with them. And of course, communication, we are constantly talking to them, constantly discussing with them that what we are doing, how we are doing, and that's how they are. That's how the culture is built.
Yeah. Uh, Currently, which technologies in the globe, in especially in the laser space, which excite you the most right now?
I think currently we can say that laser welding, because I have been saying about laser welding a lot of times. Laser welding and especially automation with robots, with AI, with IoTs is the latest trend in laser technology, and that is where we are focusing on more.
Yeah. How important is mentorship, networking, and collaboration in building technology-driven company?
So we are all, taking mentorship from some leaders or some coach or some renowned people in our industry. And that is very important because they have a good experience of 40, 50 years of how they have done the things. And that helps us getting better at what we do. And technology wise, I say networking, technology both go hand in hand. As we say that we when we go to networking events or when we go to some customers sites, and see their product, there's a lot of learning that we do, when we go to a customer's place. So of course, networking helps build new relations and new customer relations, and we are able to help more people and become their growth partner in their journey.
Yeah. What are some common misconceptions that people have about laser technology and its applications?
So I believe the only misconception they have that laser cutting machine is a very expensive machine and it is difficult to run. I think it is not about laser technologies, but it is about the application or the machine that is there. So we are here to, if they can meet us in exhibition, if they can meet us at our customer experience center in Pune, they can meet us and understand that no, it is not a very difficult machine to handle and it is very easy, and you can definitely grow more when you have a product which is associated with laser technologies, because we
Yeah.
just don't sell machines. We give them hands-on experience, we hold their hands throughout their journey, give them trainings, constant trainings, regular trainings. And that's how when we think that now they're able to function on their own, we let them work independently, but we are always there as a service partner, as the growth partner.
Yeah. What is the main differentiator of laser technology in the competition of laser space in India?
So the only difference that we have is we are a very much customer based company. We are service oriented company, and we have all the applications and all the machines who can prove their applications at one roof. As I told you, we have a laser cutting machine where we can cut, we can weld, we can mark, we can bend. So we have all kinds of machine, and we are adding more machines to our portfolio to help the customer needs.
Yeah. Can you discuss some failures or setbacks in your journey and what you learned from it?
Yeah, so some failures are like we are not able to deliver machines on time, or sometimes there is a shipment delay, or there is a logistics delay, or sometimes there is a payment delay. All these challenges are a part of organization. You cannot say there's a particular
Yeah.
one challenge where we learn, but there's every day there are challenges that we face. We accept those challenges, we correct them, and then we move on and learn from those challenges that such situations won't come in future. So yeah,
Yeah.
learning is the key.
Right. It's laser technology is also manufacture the custom machine for some special requirements.
Yes, yes. We also
Yeah.
have special purpose machines. We have robotics. We have automation. We even help the customers, form a full line of machines of production. So we help in whichever way the customer wants.
So how do you balance business growth, technology adoption, and social impact initiatives?
So there is no balance basically in all this because all these are going in the same direction. Business growth is about learning new technologies, adapting with the
Yeah.
new technology and the market trends, learning and then delivering it. So all these, processes go hand in hand, and we keep ourselves relevant. We meet people, we meet customers, and that's how we are able to come till here.
Yeah. So can you please share some numbers about laser technology in terms of growth from last 5 years?
Yeah, so last 5 years we have basically grown from a turnover of 50 crore to a turnover of 200 crore. So that is
Mm.
how we've grown. Even in the in the terms of employment, we were a team of just 50 people, and now we're a team of more than 150 people. So we are not only growing in numbers, but we're also helping create more employment for women and men in our company, so that more people are able to achieve their goals with us.
Yeah. Can you please share in detail about how 15 years ago laser technology started? What was the vision at that time, and what drives the vision tomorrow for tomorrow?
Yeah. So it's a beautiful 15-year-old journey which Rakesh Agarwal sir had started, and his vision was, is, and always will be to help the Indian SME and MSME grow their industries with the help of our machines, with the help of our support, with our machines support services. And even today, we are at the same goal. We are just trying to help people, empower people, help people, and make them reach their goals.
Yeah. So, if you could give one piece of advice to India's next generation of industrial innovators, what would it be?
I would just say that don't be scared to look at the machines, or don't take the safe employment like IT or software, just that, but also explore your skills into manufacturing and machinery industry. It is a very beautiful journey. It is a very beautiful industry where you get to work with the machines closely and see what these machines can do, and how our technology can get them better and help, faster production, faster speed. So I would always tell them one thing, that go deep into machinery, go down to manufacturing, because the youth is our future, and the manufacturer is going to give us a good position in the market, in the global market. So we have to grow our GDP, and only manufacturing can help us do that.
Yeah, right. So, I will go back to my previous question on the laser Gurukul. How to enroll and what are the syllabus and what are the opportunities in laser Gurukul?
So we have a number on the website where you can reach us and you can call us. And first, we will have a counseling session with the student as to what that person wants to do, whether whichever field he wants to choose. If he has a business mindset, or he has a operator or a service engineer mindset, we have to first counsel them, make them understand, and then we will be able to guide them properly. So we have
Yeah,
syllabus where we give a complete training for a laser operator, where we give them a laser welding, laser marking, and laser cutting training, an extensive training of 2 weeks. And there are smaller trainings for smaller products also. So we will have to counsel and sit with the student as to where he wants to go, which field excites him, and then we will guide him.
yeah. So, my last question now. What are the diverse portfolios of laser technologies? Which are the catchy products trending nowadays? And what are the innovations planned in upcoming months?
Yeah, so the products that we cater is laser cutting, laser marking, laser welding, and CNC press brake are our standard products, which are, moving out every day from our factories. There are new products that we are coming up with, is turret and laser. It's a combination machine. We are also coming up with a panel bender machine. And there are also, we don't only give machine, we also support you with accessories, something like dust collectors, or slack cleaners and these machines. So we are always adding up new machines to our portfolio, like I said. And the new technology will be like more into manufacturing and more into giving special purpose machines, where the customer has a particular size requirements or a particular power requirements which is not available. We are want to manufacture those machines for them. So, yes, the next goal is to make in India absolutely and completely in the next 6 months.
Yeah. How do you plan the marketing to reach? to the targeted audience or targeted customers?
So we have been a long-term player in this industry where, even 15 years is a very long time, where we have joined around 7,000 customers with us. So our customer base is so huge that even firstly, they give us a lot of good reference. And that is like a pat on back for us because when customer gives a reference, you've done something right.
Hmm.
So that's how that is our first and most important source of marketing where we keep our customers really satisfied and happy. Then we have a lot of online platforms. We have Google Ads, Meta Ads, and then we go to trade shows. So we have couple of marketing areas where we really are focusing very hard to reach to our customers.
Yeah. So my last one, as a executive director, uh, you are focusing more on process or more on business development? And
So
how do you plan your day?
yeah, so I'm also focusing on processes because we are growing day by day and we are growing very fast. If we don't stick to processes, it'll be a very difficult challenge to lead such a big team. And once we have our processes in line, the business growth is going to be a byproduct. It is going to fall in place. So I would say it is both the same thing and it complements each other.
Yeah. So that's it from my side. So thank you for your time
Thank
and
you for
hope
having
our audience will get more insights on laser space in uh, technology perspective or in market driven perspective. So